Hello everyone, welcome back to Challenge Corner and I hope you all are doing well. So in this video, we are going to create a profile that is a professional profile that you can use in your social media accounts like in Instagram, Facebook and especially on LinkedIn because LinkedIn is totally a professional platform as well as I should say you should create a professional picture for your profile so wherever you are using it that creates a professional image of yourself and professional picture doesn't mean that you have to dress up in a professional way only, but also it matters a lot when I talk about background and all these things. Okay. So whenever you are using any gradient, you are using any colored background or a black and white background, still the professionalism prevails. So let's see like how as a student, like in college student or as a school student, how we can use this picture. Also in this video, I will be telling you very basic of the Canva designing a skill, but this video would be a part of designing a skill series where you can just resize any image means I will be uploading videos like how to resize image, how you can create your LinkedIn profile, how you can create LinkedIn banner and all these things like basic things that you require at your school or college level. Okay, so let's get started without wasting time. And here you can see I have opened my Canva profile and I have designed so many things here. And in this series, you will be learning all these things like how to create a professional picture of yourself, how to create graphs, how to create videos, how to create LinkedIn banner, and all these things. Like I have also created so many thumbnails as well that you are looking here. So, without wasting time, let's get back to our main idea here. So, here you have to just log in. You can search Canva here on your Google or in web browser, and then you have to log in Canva. Like I have logged in through my profile. So, here, as you can see, this is my profile. So, I am using it here. Now, create design option is there, then we have to click it and we will choose a very basic structure. Basically I'm talking about the professional size and that would be any square size. Create custom size if you want to give actually the width and the height of your picture. Like for example I am giving 100 as a width in pixels and height 100. So 100 by 100 is also 500 by 500 is also a square. So whenever you are giving equal height and width, that is your square. I hope it's visible here. Okay, it's in white color, so it's not properly visible. So let's take it in a black. Okay, just for the sake of better visibility, I'm taking it here. Now this is our square box. Now first of all, we have to upload. We have to go here, upload files. So wherever your picture is there, you can like choose it from here. I'm choosing it and it will be displayed here, okay, in downloads. Like this is my professional picture already, it's in professional form and whatever I like to choose as a background I have chosen there. But we will be seeing like for example I am just adjusting the size of the image here, as you can see. Now I'm going to remove the background. So let's search here. You can also use it from here, from Canva only, but I don't have the premium subscription. So till now, I can't be able to use this premium. Here you can see BG remover, but you can also buy the plan if you are feasible for that. But right now, I don't have any premium plan, and I am just making this video from very basic start. Like as a student, you don't have to buy anything, you don't have to select the premium plans and all these things, but still you can create, you can just do your work that's needed, right? So we will search remove bg. Okay, now from here you can see upload your image. So choose the file and after that you can upload it here. After 2-3 seconds it will just you know erase the background automatically. So here we have got the image without background picture and we will be downloading it from here. Right now it's downloaded. So we will get back to again. Like here I am deleting this profile. So we will be uploading the profile with removed background. Okay. Now it will be shown here. After that, I'm dragging it here. Although the background is not black, I will change it, but you can see like it's showing 50% of professionalism. Means one thing is mandatory, like whatever picture you click, you have to click it from the front, not your side way and all these things. But in side way also, in side look, if I say like side view also has professionalism. But basically, if you are starting as a beginner, then you should means click the picture from the front at the eye contact level. For example, if I'm seeing the camera from here, so it's at the eye contact level. But whenever I'm seeing the screen of my window, so maybe my eyes would be lower in that line of sight, right? So here what we can do is we have to be professional, like in a smiling way and in front look, okay? Next thing, what I'm just saying is resize this picture like this, expand it till the borders, okay? You should take care like the picture should not cut. Okay, now this is perfect. But still, if I click here at the background, I'm not getting it right. So it is removed background. Now when I click here at the background, here I can choose any color that I want as a background color. Like from here, you can see it's gray, but gray is not looking that much good because my uniform is in black color. So whatever profile, like blue is good for LinkedIn, all these things. You can also see it from here. So whatever background that matches your picture in contrast or in a very professional way, you can use it. That do not very much, just vibrant and that fades away from our eyes and all these things. So we should take care of the colors that we are using in background. So especially as a challenge corner has a black and pink, tint or a shade. So Blackpink, when I say, so I have used it like this. I may be changing the logo of the channel if I would like any other color. So till now it's okay. Like here, it's in black is my uniform and pink is the background. Okay, you can also duplicate it from here. If you want to add a new page, you can click it here. There would be a new page. You can select any other background color if you like. For example, yellow also shows professionalism. And when black picture is imported on this yellow color, then it looks like premium, something like premium, right? Black and yellow or black and gold for premium color. So it shows premium thing. Now you can see it here if I'm dragging it like this and all these things. So yellow background is also looking great. Should I change my logo or my LinkedIn profile with this? Let's see. So again, I'm just choosing it here. Like whenever we are clicking it, it's not about only you can use the colors that are visible here. You can also choose it from here. For example, if I'm saying typing it like gold, so there are so many shades of gold and related colors. So let's see it here if it's working. Yeah, this is perfect gold. When I display my picture here, it looks like a premium picture, right? In the similar manner, we can use different colors that suits our professionalism, that suits our body language, as well as the personality and the uniform that we are wearing. Okay, so let's see another background, one more another background color, and that should be in gradient. We can use like this, but from here I'm copying the picture and just pasting it here. Okay, now this color is also looking great, but it is in black and dark blue. So contrast color is like this only. Uh, okay, again selecting the background color. So you can see from here gradients are also available. If you want to change the gradient color also, so you can change it in that way. Okay, I'm not fitting this picture perfectly from there, but you can change the gradient as well. Like here in gradients, you can edit it. Yes, yellow or black or something else from here. Not if not yellow, then yes, you can choose green as the gradient color, green and black. Okay, so it will be like this. So light is coming from the front and dark gradient color from the background. You can use it like this. Also, one more and important thing what you can do it here. Choose element, choose frame from here, and you can choose the circular frame or any other shape that you like. Okay, just expand it, and this is the image frame basically. You don't need this background color anymore, so let's take it as white only, simple. Right, now we have chosen a circular frame. Now if you want to fit your image in a circular way, although you are using square template, so it would not be a part of worry if you are putting it in your professional profile or professional accounts, but still if you require your profile picture in circular order, then you can just drag the picture and drop it here. Now it's taking this in a circular form. You will be looking it into better way when I choose the background. For example, like this, I have chosen the background, but it is showing the circular thing here only, not the whole picture, right? So what we can do is we would click it here. We can also check the color if it's visible. Yeah, this is the circular color. Border style, if we will say, like if we want it in border like this, is the ratio of the border, sorry, radius of the border. I'm sorry for the mistakes, but yeah, here you can see. Now you can drag it like this, and you can see how good it's looking in yellow form. If I have chosen yellow, in pink form, if we can see like it's in pink, means your profile would be this circular image. Okay, if you want to adjust, just double click on it. You want to zoom, if you want your face would be visible, then it would be like this. And if you want your whole picture, so you can adjust it from here, uh this way. Okay, so you can adjust it like this. Okay, so this circular here, you have you can have the look like how your picture would look in a profile, especially in a circular way and all these things. Again, when I talk about some other frames, like we have line frames and all these things, like for example, we are taking a diamond shaped. Yeah, this is also looking great, but let's see how our image will look in this particular frame. So we will choose it from here. Again, either you can go to upload and drag it like this. Okay, so it's showing like this, not in a perfect manner, but we need to set the radius, then only it will be shown in a good way like this. It's not looking that much good, but yeah, I'm just showing the example. You can choose the frames like this, but it's not working at all, so we will delete the frame itself. Again, when I see there are elements, so for a professionalism profile and all these things, you can see rounded rectangle is there. If you want more curved round, so we can adjust it from here. This is circular only, but here it's the rounded image, sorry, rounded frame. Now when I drag the image from here, so it will look in that way. Again, border style would be like this, so it will look like this. Again, when I set the background, so let's see the background, if I can set it from here. Oh, that's also looking great. Okay, it's giving a look of Insta profile, right? Not the Insta profile, but the Instagram logo with my face inside, right? So let's see this particular thing. Oh, it's on this particular image. Let's see this background here. Yeah, it's looking like Instagram profile and all these things, purple and pink. Let's set it, let's edit it from here as gradient color is there. Okay, okay. From here we can set it, it's purple. It's already good, but here I want pink. So let's see the pink color shade from here. This is pink, and this particular color is purple. Yeah. So now it's in the phase of purple and pink color gradient. So now we have seen how we can create or change the background color of our image, and these are the images we can use in our profile in this way, without using frames and with using frames, without the gradient color and with gradient color. So we have seen, we have covered all these things in this particular video. I know this is a very basic video, but yeah, first step is the basic step, obviously. But yeah, we will go to advanced in the further videos.